Hello, my name is Elise Carroll, and this is Lab 9 over food packaging and polymers. So I am going to take my microwave safe bowl, and I'm going to pour 1.5 cups of skim milk in there.
The longer that at least that tornado threat does continue. Looking at that double that thunderstorm, new severe thunderstorm warning just as we're speaking right there for Jackson County. Severe thunderstorm warning. We're going to pop it up on your screen momentarily. Right there, severe thunderstorm warning until 5:45. It includes air storm back over toward Newark. Some large hail. Hail up to all southeast
Now I'm going to take 4 teaspoons of white vinegar. Here's my teaspoon and my white vinegar. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to mix them together. Now I'm going to go stick this in the microwave for a minute or two until it is separated into a liquid and a solid.
I'm still a little concerned about maybe a little bit of rotation as well. Between Swift and the Cash right now, that's probably a good place to be.
We still have about another minute to go.
67 toward Newport. This is the stretch highway. That's likely to see some light here shortly. There's Old Trough in the lower left-hand corner. There's Highway 69. This storm doesn't look like it's weakening any, and I keep saying I'm still worried about this storm.
Okay. Let me see. You can kind of see how that's separated. You can see the solid floating in the liquid. So now I'm going to stir it into little blobs. Okay, well, this just wants to stay into one big blob. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and lay out my paper towels to get ready because I'm about to get the liquid out of this. Okay. Now,
northeast of Sedgwick, so right through here, right get a drink of water. You can see
well, apparently we are now under a tornado warning. So that's interesting. So, yay science. So, let's see. I'm almost finished, so that's okay. We'll just finish this and yeah.
But then we've got a little bit of a population here in the light community. This is just developed in the last couple of scans here. So Paragould is included in this polygon here. Now, chances are...
okay. I think I have gotten as much of the liquid out as I possibly can using the strainer. Well, hold on just 1 minute. Okay. So now it just needs to cool. Once it cools, I can knead it, so I'm just going to let it cool for a little bit. I need to go check on my dogs and get them inside since we are under a tornado warning. I will be back. Come on, babies, inside. 1, 2, 3. Max, are you inside? Okay, that is still cooling. Oh, my screen phased out. Let's see what all this lab manual says. See if it's... Where did my video go? There's my video. Is it cool? I think it's almost cool enough. The back side of it's still a little bit hot. I flipped it over to get a little bit more water out of it and cool down a little bit more, and then I will knead it and get it smooth. Let's see, I will find a cookie cutter. I even found a small cookie cutter that will be perfect for the amount of plastic that I have, so that will be perfect for my lab. I think that's about cool enough that I can start kneading it to make it smoother. Ugh, that's kind of gross. It's, yeah, as you knead it, water comes out of it. That's gross. I'm not quite sure if I did something wrong with my plastic right now, because as I knead it, it's just trying to break apart instead of smoothing. I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to do a ornament or anything of the sort with this. Mine won't stay together. I did the 1.5 cup of skim milk. I did the 4 teaspoons of vinegar. I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. I watched it here and there, so I'm not really sure. Maybe I let it cool a little too long before I was kneading it. I'm not really sure what happened, but it's falling apart as I try to knead it, so I'm not really sure what I did wrong. This was definitely a failed attempt for me. But there's a star. It's just not pretty. So I will let this dry and make plastic. So now with better lighting, you can see my rugged star. So you see, it's not smooth, and I don't know what I did wrong. I'm definitely going to have to do some research as I fill out my manual to figure out what went wrong with this, because it's not smooth, and at first it didn't want to stay together. So this is what will eventually be my hard plastic when it dries, and this is Lab 9.